And today I will teach you class 12th biology unit 7 according to new revised syllabus through CBSE board genetics and evolution unit 7. That means we study in this unit chapter 2, chapter 5th principle of inheritance and variation, and chapter 6 molecular basis of inheritance. In this unit we discussed chapter 5 principle of inheritance and variation. First of all, we discussed about Mendel, that means Mendel experiment and law of inheritance. You know, have a previous classes Mendel experiment. Gregor John Mendel played the most remarkable role of establishing the principle of heredity. Mendel performs his breeding experiment on garden pea, botanical name Pisum sativum. For 9 years, Mendel studied the inheritance of 7 different pair of contrasting characters of pea plant. These characters are mentioned on this table. That means you see, that means the character of traits as like seed color, dominant and recessive, seed shape, round and wrinkled, flower color, pink, that means violet and purple, white, pod color green or yellow, pod shape full of inflated, that means constricted, flower position, axial, axial is a dominant position and terminal is a recessive position. Stem height, dominant will tall and recessive will dwarf. That 7 pair of contrasting characters considered by Mendel's for length of stem of height, that means number of chromosomes is fourth, and allelomorphic characters, that means alternative forms, dominant and recessive. Length of stems of fourth chromosomes, dominant character is tall and recessive is dwarf. Position of flower, number of chromosomes is fourth. Flower dominant is axial position and recessive is a terminal. Pod shape, number of chromosomes is fifth. Dominant character is green and recessive character is yellow. Shape of pod, number of chromosomes is fourth, that means alternate changes, and dominant part of pod is inflated and the recessive part of pod is constricted. Shape of seed, number of chromosomes is seventh, dominant is round and wrinkled is recessive. Color of seed, that means cotyledons. Leaf, number of chromosomes is first, dominant character is yellow and recessive is green. Color of flower, number of chromosomes is first, pink, that means violet, and white. You know, the number of chromosomes of pea plant is 14, that means 7 pairs. 2 genes of chromosomes in first and 3 genes of chromosomes in fourth are present for a part of each. A present Mendel could not detect linkage. First of all, we know why did Mendel choose garden pea plant for his experiment. Mendel selected garden pea plant, that means Pisum sativum, for his experiment because of following reason. First, short lifespan. That means pea plant life span is short, and flower bisexual in nature. Situation of structure and shape of flower for craft pollination. Number of chromosomes is contrasting characters. Cell fertilization could be easily be controlled. And according Mendel, what is the reason? That means Mendel's lies success. According to Mendel works, Mendel were not able to carry out of their experiment properly, and therefore were unable to draw a concrete conclusion. But Mendel was successful in experiment and revealed out the hidden principle of genetics because of following reasons. Mendel experiment, he performs all experiment with utmost care. He perform all types of cross, that means monohybrid, dihybrid, test cross and back cross. We also studied all cross according to Mendel's experiment to verify his finding. He continued his experiment up to several generations. He kept the plant of different characters in different plot to avoid by intermingling. He prevented any chance of self-pollination by emasculation, that means cutting of anther. He also used bagging method, that means covering of stigma by small bag to prevent self-pollination and other contamination. He started his experiment with plant having pure line characters. He did not only carried out monohybrid cross but also carried out dihybrid and trihybrid cross. He carefully noted the result of analyze them strictly and with basic concepts, that is the very important. That means take only alphabet for one character, that means allelomorphic form of his characters can be expressed by small and capital letter. Usually dominant alleles is so as with capital letter, while recessive characters is so to small letter. In case of multiple alleles of same characters, sign like plus and minus, that means plus symbols and minus symbols may be used to superscript to the main alphabets. Other characters should be represented with another alphabets. That means before we making the cross, first develop the gamete. Gamete or haploid cell which contains single cells, that means single alleles character. Number of alleles of gamete is exactly the half of the parent cell. Thank you.